In this video, we're going to solve a problem about area. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the area of the rectangle? And you could see this rectangle, and it has a side length of 5 centimeters and another side length of 3 centimeters. So this is usually the length and this is the width. So first we need to understand the definition of area. The area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its width. So, as I mentioned, this is the width and this is the length. So this side is 5 centimeters. So we know that this side is also exactly 5 centimeters. And this side is 3 centimeters and this side is also exactly 3 centimeters. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind when you're solving these kinds of problems. So area is length times width. So let's go here. So here is the equation for that. Area equals length times width. So if we put in, we know the length is equal to 5, so area is going to equal 5 times the width, which is equal 3. So we put that in. So then to get the total area, the area is 10 centimeters squared. And something to keep in mind when calculating area, area is always measured in square units. So that's the end of this lesson for calculating area. And don't worry if you don't understand it the first time. Just restart the video and watch it again.